Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made it upon the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen, dancehall artist 450 music is moving like one confused individual. Whether him don't know whether for add or subtract, you know. You see me, I say right now, Jaii Frais 450 and the whole music crew shook. You see me, I say, and Jahvi, the producer, is in police custody right now. People, let me tell you what I go on for not to go on, because them boy are going like them bad. And them not bad. You see me, I say, they make one YouTube and light them up, you know. So, this is the story. You know what I mean? Jaii Frais and them woman, them go big wall. You know, soccer after a carnival event. You see me, I say, run of the police, academy place. You know what I mean? Jahvi 450 and the goons, them sight him going to the restroom upon him arrival, you see me, I say. And them did have it out for him, because I guess he's making some comments saying that 450 music fall off. And them never told like that. So, when him forward out the bathroom, no, Jahvi backs him. Yeah, Jahvi backs Jaii Frais, you know. And then, you know, that man, them rush him. About 15 man rush him. You see me, I say, and one of them pull out a knockers. And he was able to disarm that individual. And, you know, I'm let off bare rounds, because, you know, he's standing his grounds and all of these things. You see me, I say, my people, no, he's not a licensed firearm holder. Yeah, and I don't know how these licensed firearm holders are getting in these defense with these type of things. You see me? Now back to the altercation, because Jaii Frais said, you know, when he disarmed these two people and, you know, trying to save his life, him let off a couple rounds and things, the producer pulled film straps from him waistline and let one off in 9 directions. You see me, and he took off running and all of these good stuff and found, you know, some police officers on scene and, you know, handed over, you know, the straps that he was able to disarm from the people, them, you see me, and let them know what going on for not to go on. So that's why Umbre is in custody right now. And all of this is stemming from falling off comments like, wow, what does Jaii Frais have to do with 450 music? You know what I mean? Whether I'm talking about 450 or not, that shouldn't be affecting his sales. And most of these artists are not even artists. They're some fabricated artists and all of these good stuff. But me just let you know what I'm going for to go on. If anything further, me'll update on it. You see me? Now, people, I'm come for giving a little update on Marky and the real estate fraud business. Because you know him name get called up in a rich rush and wife business, yes. That was tagged to Richworth 5 page yesterday. As you can see, she is denying all of these rumors. It's a man say, when you can press pause and read all of those things if you don't want to. She's tagging an individual by the name of Kareem, who took the opportunity, you know, to clout chase off of them demise. Because you know, say, girl get boxed up at AC Hotel and all of these stuff. So seeing that, Kareem came out and said, yo, the girls them did the same thing to him. You know what I mean? Ruin his life and all of these stuff. And the judge believed them and all of these things. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I was sent a lot of stuff. And that's why they're responding. Because this part is the part with Kareem now. And that the wife is responding to. You see my people. Bare problems I give out you, so you know. But the most important part is she's denying these allegations that the youth is putting out. That's what he wrote on his page right there. Wow, and it doesn't stop there, because his sister, or stepsister, jumped into the chat. Yeah, and the people in my deal with her are wicked too, you know. And you know the typical response, you know, a yam front argument amongst munchers and all of these good stuff and fraud business and stuff. You know what I mean? It's one family affair, but me just giving them a quick update. They finally addressing the real estate CPN fraud, and they're denying it, you know what I mean? They said they've been in business for 20 years, and they never had an incident of fraud yet. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Okay, people, time for some tea list to mix up, because I'm not gonna lie to you. The girl, them, I give it to Akeem wickedly. We're not talking about you know what. You see, man, say shit, and I finally didn't like the way how Akeem did a style up. The pregnant woman wickedly true. She made a comment in someone's comment section, you know, saying, oh, Rosealee money take care of him and all of them good stuff there. You see me, I say, so them this up Rosealee and them wickedly, you know. You see me, you know the be man thing and everything that come along with it. You don't know the things. So.
Well, I know, but she just have to hope so she still gonna get fucked.
Him ever contradict. Yeah, him very he's a narcissist. Him very manipulative. Him know if he manipulate the internet. Him know if he do that shit. Very good.
If all this man you know if he manipulate his rules, he can't manipulate nobody with sense.
Hey, and thank you, baby.
The only person you know if he manipulate his rules, he cannot manipulate no sensible human being over there. Alright, me done pop my fridge.
All a blood clot. Me see him pan live I bring down one pregnant woman. Say the woman pregnant.
Oh!
Akeem!
Where when he gets the hype?
Bring down one pregnant woman and talk about she will go take care of her picnic. And what she a do a comment.
What?
Woman, him read every screen record. Is a batty boy. Well, sit down and read every comment what everybody have to say. Me see him over there, the screen record page of my classy. Me see the girl man there comments and say a fucking
So when I watch your people want to come?
Him go on the screen record page and watch every comment section. If you say something about him class yo.
What does that have to do with him?
A Batman style lad. Who the fuck sit down and read every comment section? Who man do that? But man sit down and read every comment section and somebody have to say about them. It's a Batman
read every comment.
You want hear from the life? Body man show the baby mother, show the woman with her pregnancy.
At least me we read that 3, 4, 5 comment. Me not time for you. He go for her picture, show her picture too?
Yeah, go for her picture. I show the comment her picture. I say, look on her. She pregnant. You're pregnant at this time. I hear a comment. You have to go take care of your picnic them.
But I rose money for true never. I mean, him did have a little thing, but I rose
gear the highlighter. The breeding woman me there. Come chat 8 Rose. Thank you, Ken. Him show the lady data. Yes, Ross. In class. The breeding woman, you know. Show all her data, you know.
So what happened to when him used to come over here and him name himself Gallus Boss and him the class and them some of them?
To all the lady data, Akeem is a batty blood clot boy. Batty man, him have a batty man.
Him no respect females again.
Mentality. Everything to do with batty man and him that.
Catch his speed. 8 Rose. Guys, we have 900 people in a focus. 8 Rose, we are rank. Quick, one more. Cute. Jay, we over here, Jay. What?
I don't know. Oh, you sit down and blood clot and put every screen record and page says something about you. You go and go read. Favorite one. Where you read the page? Where you read the comments where people them a say for?
Me tell you, man, a Batman. You didn't believe me.
Read Batman.
Me don't say man a fish. So we expect. Hey, you know what sweet me?
Favorite.
Today when Rosealee say, I don't care about the internet, my man and a Batman, I can't call my man name pastor. I say, girl, you just meet Akeem. You talk to people who know Akeem long time. You just know Akeem. You talk to somebody who know Akeem long time before you even know what name Akeem. Calm down.
Favorite, thank you, my baby. Jaii that.
I mean, Akeem now when Akeem want you to know where him want to tell you about him or him stuck in your head for you believe. But him can't tell me or share all style when we from Instagram this. People know in a real blood clot life.
Exactly.
And that's why what's not like because we come talk say I'm true what's guys, why am I going like say me never did Aqua's page? I'm going to watch messages them on Instagram. When she left Akeem because she found out Akeem a Batman, I'm a post them and as the police get involved and she go report me say if me no gear back her page, she go make them lock me up. And I suck up when the police get involved me gear back the page.
And beg you for gear back the page. And you say you not gear it back.
I want fake account me that for go pan and get back when the police them get involved. What shit about? And that's why she don't like because I go bust it up.
Me text Vani and say me a beg her gear back the page. Vani say she not blood clot gear back.
At the time they have 20, I was the first person to go lick as they look like ranker, like little Jamaican like go up on Instagram. But then tell you, I was the first person to hit 25,000 followers per Instagram live. Then the time they went was a class and bring down our blood clot. I go post up every receipt and police them getting back.
Getting a spirit.
And that's why
no blood clot.
our man did set the fire Akeem man them said, what's the buy one car for Akeem? And Akeem drive the car. Me, Akeem, Enhance, and Wasp go upper. Where already Zaka we can look down and see if you we need to go up there so. And then I forgot buy liquor and something and then we got Elsha Beach and Akeem drive the car at the gas station and meet up with him batty people them are in an argument and them set the car on fire and him have to call was our people call was and see a car they on fire out of Portmore and she have to fly drive from Alpha Tree got Portmore for the car. I don't know if Clara Rose can tell you about somebody where she just meet.
Love you, my brother. I that me there I wonder. Come here, but my man.
Guys, thank you. Go sit down.
Only can't say my man about my man. Favorite thank you. Your man is a Batman for true from Instagram based, darling. I true you don't know. From Facebook come straight down to Instagram. Your man a Batman for true, sweetheart. You know about it. Your man is a Batman for true, darling.
I know him name. I wonder if she knows that him and Akeem there for a long
Come here. Me have something for
you. You know say Latrice said didn't know about Akeem Batman is him and still date Akeem. She didn't know about it too.
Come here, me have something for tell you. When me there Jamaica what day? When me there Jamaica what day? Me go Portmore go buy pork. A Port End this me don't know where this on here. You don't know which part the karaoke keep chat pan the plaza there. When you go pan the no me I go tell TikTok.
Here comes the
pan the main road there so me I tell them, me I tell you no. Me I tell them. You don't know say me stop and buy pork over there so. Me go to the woman and me say who sell the best pork and she say up there so. Cause me don't know about the people that must sell the pork them are right there say no. So me say me want the best pork. Yeah. When me go there now and stand up and me buy one soup and me get one blood clot pork. Come here. I mean and Shiba that did that part them the pork. Yeah, me get them tell me say $5,000 for half pound and 2,000 for pound. So me buy the 2,000 pound one. And me and Shiba that did that part the day. Bomba blood clot. One woman said to me, say, are you name Shay? Me say, yeah. Oh, true.
You don't know what you're chatting. You can't talk around the story. You have to talk in the go around with your mouth.
I true him, I go know him, I go know the woman for true. I true him, I know the woman chat. No, I know the woman.
He probably know her now.
He might know the woman.
Just because you say woman too, he probably know her now.
No, yeah, true. Yeah, true. He might go know the woman. He might know the woman to blood clot.
I remember them watch it on Facebook.
I true, man. I know the woman. Ras clot.
What?
I know the woman.
So I'm not tell you what they do me. I'm not tell you what they do me at the party.
Yeah.
Me and the girl when named Shay, yes, Shay. She and the girl when named Shay where I did friend.
Yeah, the black one.
Used to be friend and she invite me to party up. There's some part on Alpha Tree there so near Limelight or something like so.
Yeah.
And when we going at the party, now Akeem and Jahvi that me see at the party, and some other Batman. We are good friend with Shay, cause Shay used to have them as our little bestie them. And you know say, me did have my phone dead and left my phone for charge and the people them must think say me go snap them, cause they know me come down to you and they trust me and they thief my phone.
Yeah.
And me they go and bring for my phone and they would like they want to beat me up the night over my own phone. Yeah. Batman party.
Yeah.
Man a dance for man. Man a dance for man the pan head top, man the in a panty you can see there something long down. And what Akeem and Jahvi are doing at the party? What am I doing there? As two straight man sit down, turn up and look. Where are you in there?
Party.
What are you doing in a party where everywhere you look, a man in a one skirt, a man in a short, man and a man hood over this and them a do the most. Where are you doing at a party like that?
You know I'm a Batman that time.
Listen, when you hear me talk, I always tell them, I not talk because I want people believe what I say. I talk because I know what I know. I talk because I know what I see. People and Shay were a good friend because she have them as bestie. All of the Batman them did her look a bestie. She and the same Batman them were a friend and them are Akeem. Them a big friend. Me and say Akeem come out. I true me never call out the boy name or pint him out. But when I friend them when I par with when the whole of them did good. My batty man too. And I go like, you don't know me. Like, you will win over Portmore in our house. I drink and play domino and Looney and so now look for them.
Listen, when you talk to one like that thing.
But when she did attack,
And people that were with there Portmore with. When we there in a Portmore, sit down, you know, us play a match, drink, hang out with. Got pay a batty party. What about
So when me hear you attack, me tell you baby say I'm a liar. True Barney attack.
but Barney, don't worry. I am telling you, Rosalie knows exactly what Akeem is. She's not ready as yet. Wanna soon hear me. I tell you no. Listen, Rosalie involved with Batman. Remember Batman a fuck Rosalie from her yard, Yarny. She say her mother fuck from she a 9 and Rosalie a fuck from she a 10. So she go one age up. Me I tell you say,
Oh, is it possible?
From
Yeah.
them a 13 fuck Rosalie. That is why them so close because them say Toto and her friend from them at 13. You know Toto fuck that. Because Rosalie had that foot open. Rosalie foot cannot lock. So it's food always are going. Food always are going there.
How is it possible? How is it possible every gay person? How is it possible every gay person with me know and them a friend with Shay? When you're looking at a picture or when you're looking in a party and them a Akeem them a friend and a par with. Oh, I mean, you don't come in like Queenie, you don't know say, boy, I know so that boy there's a bonafide batty man and everywhere you look, you see somebody want straight man with them.
Right.
Where I tell myself?
And why is it that everybody has say a Batman and bring it down? Pure Batman run out for you. Nicholas Stepan. I'm a son. Only my
As a
son
straight
and
man,
you.
as a straight man.
As
Why
a
them a
straight
defend
man,
straight?
what you mean
You ever
my
see them a
son?
come and defend nobody over here?
What so much Batman run out for you depend? My son. We don't leave anytime Batman call a man a son, that mean a Batman too.
Yes.
Them take you for them son. Them call each other son, auntie, grandmother,
Family, auntie, mother, sister,
daughter,
cousin, best friend.
Wait, when so much Batman run out for you? I'm a son. We don't know my blood clot son.
Them now gonna know. In a batty word, you have brother, sister, auntie, and them something. They never hear ticky them and say, my
All of
auntie.
them.
And we not talk about the woman, they will talk about the man them.
I'm a son.
I know Akeem Top guy Panama. Nicholas used to fly out Akeem regularly like Panama. I'm tired for ask Jahvi and Akeem what is the meaning of the Tinkerbell tattoo where the two of them have here, so ask them. Them can't only trick internet. Me know them like me
I
and do stuff.
understand. Why? Why so much Batman run out for you?
Rosalie know about it.
No straight a pure Batman run out for your power alive. Pure Batman. No, sir. Anytime Batman call a man son, you know what that mean.
You ever see, alright, there's so many gay on TikTok. You ever see they run out for nobody at all? They only defend them each other and defend themselves. They don't really have defend straight people just so. They
There
have
we go.
class and bring
Type
them
again. Type again, me don't see.
So them yeah.
Ask Vani if Desmond was at the party with her, that him say the donkey lie.
You can't listen to anything. I never see that the person in front of the eye. A TikTok, I'm not a TikTok, I come know him for me, even know him for Instagram. What about him for Instagram?
That's
Him probably know
yeah.
me for Instagram. Me don't know him for Instagram.
Chat
Where do him from? I never remember if I me never for Instagram or a TikTok me meet him from, but I never meet Desmond in a real life yet.
Several.
And the way I'm obsessed with me, say him now no picture with me and nothing. Him would have to see if I frame that, you know?
Yeah, like I said earlier on my Instagram live, these people are really insecure out here over comments that shouldn't mean a thing because it's just words. You see me, I say, I know them in a bag of problem, receiving backlash, some people in a custody, some people there at the hospital, some people in a wagga wagga, you see me. But me just today I give you them quick update, you know, the day, so do the right thing, and subscribe to the king, turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.